Good evening and welcome to You Again Yoga. My name's Jo, and this evening I have a beautiful flow for you just to let go of the day. Maybe you've been a little bit tight in the chest, so we have some beautiful chest openers for you. Maybe we feel a little tight in the back of the legs. We've been sitting a lot. We have a beautiful stretch for the backs of the legs. And of course, a way to let the nervous system come down, to promote that rest and digest, and to set us up for a great night's sleep. So let's begin by standing up. So planting your feet into the ground, hip width distance apart. Feel the toes, your big toes, your little toes, pressing down into the earth. Feel your heels ground. You can soften your knees and feel your hips stacked on top of those feet. Feel your shoulders stacked on top of your hips and your head beautifully in line. So gently tuck the chin, feel the back of the neck long. Crown of the head pulling up, feet pulling down. Feel that opposite pull. And simply breathe here. Take your attention into your body. Give yourself a moment just to feel every little sensation you are feeling right now. The areas that feel beautifully relaxed. Maybe the areas that feel like they're holding still a little bit of tension. Just be aware of them. Nothing to do here. No need to change it. No need to comment. Just simply observing. Notice where your breath is right now. And again, no need to change, just observe. We begin by reaching the arms up overhead. You can interlace your fingers and release your index finger pointing up towards the sky. Feel as if those fingers are lifting you up and at the same time the ground is pulling you down. Feeling that beautiful pull of opposites, lengthening the body, giving yourself a stretch, allowing the spine to be as long as it can be. Inhale to lift even taller. And on your exhale, your fingers draw a line over towards your right hand side and your hips pull out towards the left. Just a gentle stretch down the left hand side of your body. Breathe here. Inhale back to center, lift up, and exhale, fingertips draw over towards the left, right hips push out towards the right. And feel that beautiful stretch down the right hand side. Breathe here, lift the fingertips away from you. And inhale back to center. As you exhale, drop the arms down by your side. Tuck the chin to your chest and gently curl all the way down. Every single vertebrae getting its own attention as you roll down through the spine. Soften your knees to rest the belly on the thighs, hands on the floor, neck and shoulders relaxed. If you'd like a little bit more traction in your spine, you can hold onto your opposite elbows and feel the elbows being pulled down to the ground. If that feels too much for you, just place the hands back down onto the floor. If your body feels good to give yourself a little sway, please do so. Listen to your body. If the stillness is what you need right now, take the stillness. If that little bit of rhythmic movement helps you right now, then let's rock side to side. Let the head go, let the shoulders go. And then let's all find some stillness directly in the middle of those feet. You can release the hands down to the floor. I'm just going to turn to face the length of my mat. And we walk the hands out in front of us. We walk the feet out behind us until you come into your downward facing dog, looking like a triangle. So your hips are pulling up towards the sky. Your feet are pressing down to the earth. Your hands are pressing down to the earth. And we lengthen the back of the body, pressing the chest and the armpits down. If you're struggling to stretch through your lower back, soften your knees. This will give you more space to lengthen through the spine. Breathe here. You may feel like taking your dog for a little walk, paddling through the feet. One leg bends, one leg stretches. You can shake your hips right to left. But again, if stillness feels good for you right now, take that stillness. Listen to your body, tune in to what it is asking. If at the moment you don't feel you can decide what your body is asking for, try both. Try stillness, try a bit of movement, and see which one feels good. There's no right or wrong answer. Then let's all find that moment of stillness, softening through your downward facing dog, armpits pressing down, head relaxed, heels lengthening down towards the mat, long back of the body. And as you exhale, drop your knees back down to the ground and swing your legs out in front of you. So taking the heels nice and wide, you can flex the feet, dropping the knees like a windscreen wiper, right and left, right and left. Whatever speed feels good for you. Maybe the hips are a bit sensitive today, you can slow it down, just taking in every little movement, seeing how it feels. Tuning into your body, experiencing the sensations in your body, experiencing how they feel. Maybe there's tightness there, maybe there's ease. Make sure your breath is still long, is deep. Breathing with the movement. And as the knees fall over to the right-hand side, take your weight onto your right hand behind you, swinging your left arm up and over, lifting the hips, so squeezing through the glutes and coming up onto the knees to open up through the chest. This is your modified wild thing, feeling the chest expanding. Breathe here. And as you exhale, coming back down, taking the legs to the opposite side, knees placed down on the floor, left hand behind you. Inhale to swing the right arm up, squeeze your glutes, coming up onto your knees and opening up through the chest. Breathe deeply here. Exhale, come all the way back down. Let's try that one more time on each side. Knees to the right, swing the left arm up, open through the heart space, squeeze your glutes. Breathe into the chest and exhale, come back down. Knees to the left, right arm swings up, open through the chest, fill the lungs. Exhale, release back down. Beautiful. Continue your movement with your windscreen wiper knees, just allowing any last little bit of tension in those hips to relax. Coming into our last pose, soles of the feet together, our butterfly. Your heels can be far away from you or close, depending on your anatomy and how it feels good for you right now. Take the distance that feels great for you. Holding on to the ankles, lengthen the spine. So feel the back of the body long, shoulders away from the ears, and we're simply going to bounce the knees. As if they're tiny butterfly wings, gently bouncing. Hardly any effort needed. So find the rhythm that has the minimal muscular tension. So just let it simply bounce. Find that rhythm, find that ease. Breathing deeply. You can soften your eyes closed. Bring your attention inwards. So we can hold a lot of tension in our hips from the day, a lot of emotions there as well. So just before we go to bed, it's a really great idea just to loosen up this area. Give yourself some space. Keep bouncing for 5, for 4, 3, 2, And 1. Allow that bounce to soften into stillness. Now take a moment here. This is my favorite moment. I love the buzz of energy in the legs from that bounce, that tingling sensation. Simply observe. How is your breath? How are your shoulders and neck? Then gently come into a comfortable seated position. If you are comfortable in butterfly pose, please stay there. If you'd like to come onto your knees, cross-legged, or on a chair, any of those options are fantastic. Make sure you are comfortable, you can breathe, and your spine can be long. And you can really relax, drop all the tension. Think of your feet relaxed, your ankles relaxed. Your knees, your thighs, your hips, your glutes, your lower belly, your chest, the whole of your spine, your shoulders, your arms, your wrists and your hands, your neck, and all of your facial features. So release your jaw and your tongue. Release your eyebrows and your forehead. And we take 3 deep sighs. So inhale through the nose, then open the mouth and exhale on a sigh. Let's begin. Letting that day go. One more. Bring your palms together at your heart space. Take a moment to show yourself some gratitude for giving yourself these 10 minutes just to let go of your day and give yourself a great chance at having a beautiful restorative night's sleep. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this class, please subscribe for more short practices to calm a busy mind.